Hey, Dr. Lindsey here. This is a quick update at 5 years out from around 500 FUEs to augment the hairline. And this is a 40-ish-year-old fellow who came in with probably class 1 hair loss and wanted his hairline lowered and reinforced. And we did 500 FUEs, and then I lost track of him, and he walked in about 2 weeks ago looking like this. And it looks great. The back of his head shows no donor depletion. Of course, a short haircut, can't find the scars, and so he's ideal for FUE. He's got thick, coarse hair, doesn't need a lot of grafts. In fact, he could have more than that without any danger of donor depletion, and he's unlikely genetically to bald much more in his life. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.